This is my favorite thing to teach in all of English. I swear to you it is. And it's the magic E. The magic E. You're going to see how one letter, one silent letter, one letter that you do not pronounce, can change a whole word. It'll change an entire word. It'll knock you out. It will knock you out. So can becomes cane, for example. Same letters, almost, but one little E at the end changes the sound completely. It changes the sound of the vowel in the middle. So say them with me. This first one, the short is A, like in apple, and the long one is A, like in cake, cake, A, cake. Look at these two. On the left, a can. This is a can. And on the right is almost the same word, except it has an E on the end, and it changes the sound, and it's a different word. It means something else. So the one on the right is cane. It has the long A sound, A, cane. So the one on the left is a, can, a, can. The one on the right is a, cane. We don't pronounce the E, but the E changes this from a to a, cane, cane. It's the long vowel sound. And a cane is maybe something you walk with. It's called a cane, cane. So short or long. Short can, long cane. Now let's check your ears. I'll say one of these two words, and you tell me which one you hear. Number 1 or number 2. Listen carefully. I'll just say it one time. Cane. Which one do you hear? 1 or 2? And the answer is cane. Great ears. I think you got it, right? Excellent job. So say it one more time with me. Cane. Listen to the A in cane. It sounds just like the name of the letter. The letter is A, and the word is cane. A, cane. Great ears. Say it one more time with me. Cane. Good. Short or long. Here's our next pair. On the left is a man, 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 man. It's a short, quick A. On the right is a mane. A mane is on a lion. It's the hair around a lion's face is called the mane, his mane. So mane is a, mane, mane. So let's say them with me, back to back. On the first one is man, and then mane, man, mane, man, mane. Again, man, mane. Do you feel the difference with your mouth? And the sound, a, man, a, mane, man and mane. Are you ready? I'll say one word, just one of these words. I'll say either number 1 or number 2. Listen carefully. I'll just say it one time. The word is man. Which one was it? Was it 1 or 2? Let's check your answer. And the answer is man. Yeah, we said man, man, man. Next pair. On the left, a pan for cooking. Pan. P-a-n. Pan. Short and quick. Pan. On the right, a pane of glass. One little piece of glass in a window is called a pane of glass. A pane of glass. And that's P-a-n. Pane. Say them with me. Pan, pane. One more time. Pan, pane. Okay, so listen and choose. I'll say one of these two words. Which do you hear? Number one or number two? Here it comes. Here's the word one time. Pain. Is that one or two? Type your answer. Good. And the word we said was pain. Pain. The long one, pain. The long one like a window pane. Say it with me. Pain. Pain. Wonderful. This is the last pair. On the left, it's a tap. A tap is a faucet. It's also called a faucet. It's where water comes from. But it's also a tap. If I tap something, I tap it. Tap. So it's t-a-p. Tap. Short and quick. T-a-p. Tap. Keep the T, as they say, crisp. T. Just the T, not T. That would be to-ap. It's t-ap. Tap. On the right, the sticky kind, tape. T-a-p. T-a-p. Tape. Tape. Say tape. Tape. The last one for your ears. I'm going to say one word, and you tell me, is it number one or number two? Listen, I'll say it one time. Here we go. Ready? Tap. Which did you hear? Did you hear one or two? Let's check. And the answer is tap. The short, quick one. Tap. Say it with me. Tap. Great work. So the magic E rule, here's the rule. Let's give it a name. I'm going to call it the magic E rule. Here's the rule. You take a word like can, and you add an E to the end, and it changes the sound of the A in can to A, and the word becomes cane. This is the magic. That letter, and you're going to see it a lot in every vowel, that letter, E on the end, the silent letter, will change that middle letter or that vowel before it from a short vowel to a long vowel. But it reaches back and it changes the sound of that vowel that comes before it. It changes it from a short vowel, for example, A, to a long vowel, A. And A is the name of the letter also. It's very powerful. Say them with me. Cane, main, pain, tape. It's the magic E. The magic E. Okay, quick round. Let's train those ears. Listen to these. I'm going to say a word. You decide, is it short or is it long? I'm going to say the word. You listen to the word, and then you say either short or long. Short, short, long. Okay, here we go. Cane. Long. A, cane. Tap. Short. Yeah, short. Ah. Main. Long. It's long. Main. Pan. Short. Yep. Ah. Yeah, you're hearing it now. The long ones stretch out. They have a different sound. They sound like the letter. Very good. Okay, look. We have 4 magic pairs all in one lesson. Here they are. They go at the top and down below. So let's start with can, cane, man, main, pan, pain, tap, tape, can, cane, man, main, pan, pain, tap, tape. Very good. Next time we're going to say all 5 vowels together. We're going to practice that together with the magic E. It's very exciting. Come back.